Hi, this is Ryan from the Simply Made Craft Room. Our friends over at Grow and Make have asked us to do a review for their sugar and salt exfoliating scrub kit. And we're super excited. As you can see, the box is very adorable, and we're just gonna go ahead and dive in. This box normally sells for $29.95, but if you use our promo code TRYDIY, you'll get $5 off using the link in the description below. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and get going. Oh, awesome. So right away I see that it has an awesome instruction kit and some bonus recipes. So this is awesome. There are a ton of recipes, and this will make 3 different kinds of scrubs. It will make a Epsom salt scrub, a sea salt scrub, and a sugar scrub. So in addition to the 3 types of scrubs, we've got labels, I've got some calendula petals, lavender buds, rose petals, pipettes. I've got some almond oil. Oh, what are these? Adorable little tins. Well, that must be what the labels are for. How cute. This is so awesome. This is such a great gift. You could give to somebody, give to the crafter in your life. Anybody would love it. The awesome thing about these kits is they have all different kinds of kits at Grow and Make. They have kits in the bath and body section, they have home and garden kits, and then they even have some food. I think they have a kombucha one, which is really popular right now. So to reach under and grab my scissors here. So it's in this little guy. Okay, we've got our scents here. We've got pink grapefruit essential oil and some lavender essential oil. Oh my gosh, it's gonna smell so delicious. So I'll just quickly read through the directions. Combine all your dry ingredients in a mixing bowl, add the wet ingredients, and then scoop your scrub into one of the tins to use later for, okay, awesome, super simple. I'm gonna just move all this out of the way a little bit here and grab my mixing bowl. Okay, so add combine all your dry ingredients, sugar, salt, petals, in a mixing bowl. Well, I think today I want to make a sugar scrub. So, I'm gonna just open this up. Let's see what one of these recipes is. Oh, maybe I should have read this before and not poured the whole thing of sugar in. Okay, so we're gonna do the lavender sugar scrub. So half a cup of sugar. Okay, half a measuring cup so you can fix this. Always read the directions first. All right, I think this might be half a cup. I'm putting in the whole cup here. Yep, that's exactly half a cup. Halfway full of the 1 cup. All right, so we're good. So we've got our half a cup of cane sugar, half a tablespoon of lavender buds. I've got my cute little owl teaspoons here. The lavender buds open. Oh my gosh, instantly smells delicious. You know what? I'm gonna do a heaping half a tablespoon because that's how I roll. Just off to the side. And just go ahead and stir that with that little guy. Pretty in the bowl. All right, next we've got 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of almond oil. All right, almond oil. Alrighty, I am highly recommending this kit because all of this is super easy to use, and I'm super excited to scrub my elbows with this later. So we've got 1 tablespoon. I just have to say also that yes, I do have matching owl measuring cups and spoons. I love owls. Put those off to the side. Good job. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my spoon, my handy dandy little penny down here. Mix this together. So add the white ingredients So we need 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. This is where our little makes me feel like I'm doing a science experiment as well as making cool graphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not sure because I really like lavender. Spill that yummy stuff. And then go and mix it all up. As you can see, it is coming into a nice scrub. Let's see, what else does it say here? So, we suggest adding around 10 drops of essential oil using a pipette. Mix until incorporated and scoop your scrubbing into one of the tins. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Pop it on in here. This is definitely going to be a hit with either you or the lavender lover in your life. And again, like I mentioned before, they have kits for every kind. You probably see in the background, we have a couple of other kits to review. We have bath bomb kit to review and a body lotion kit. So make sure you come back and check those reviews out as well. And man, that even left some left over. I might just pop that in a little bag and put it in my shower and give this one to a girlfriend. So I'm just gonna pop this lid back on. And this would be so much fun to get together with a group of your girlfriends and each of you could take home 4 different kinds of things. There are also, like I said before, several other bonus recipes on here. There is a coconut and coffee salt scrub, an autumn pumpkin pick-me-up sugar scrub, that would be perfect for this time of the year, and an energizing lime and salt scrub, and an uplifting lemon and ginger sugar scrub. How fun. I think I might review the autumn pumpkin pick-me-up sugar scrub for our blog, so definitely check in and read that. All right, everybody, again, all of our details will be listed in the comments below, listed in the description below, sorry, not comments, description, and again, that coupon code was TRYDIY. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at simplymadelocal.com. And if you like our video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Have a good day.